Hey friends, it is time for a garden adventure. Now I know it is the dead of winter, but I have been daydreaming about what we're going to do here in this space, and I am looking for a garden bed to fill this, unused space right around here. And it just so happens that this big old package came in today from Anleolife. And if you don't know what that is, I'm about to show you. While planning my spring garden, I'm lucky enough to have been sent one of these raised garden beds, and I'm here to show you how it was putting it together. I took this on as a solo project to see how long it would take me to put it together, and I'm going to start by letting you know these seamless edges were so nice because it went together super easy and I wasn't getting cut because it had this nice little curve on the top, so like no protection gear needed. Literally less than an hour, she was done. No joke. I'm totally obsessed with the color, and I did check. This is galvanized steel, powder coated, non-toxic, so she is like good to go in the garden. Not only is an open bottom good for sliding across the snow, but I prefer that because then there's no waterlogging of my plants. So I set her in, and she's thick, so there's no brackets, but passes the shake test. So now all there's left to do is kick back, relax, and decide what's going in it this spring.